Hello and welcome to everyone. Today we will be learning a C program to divide two integers and find the quotient and remainder of both. So first we have to open our dev C++. Let's open it right away. After open your dev C++, go to file and make a new file as a source file, or you could just input Ctrl+ N in your keyboard. It will create a new file for you. First we will write include, which will actually include stdio, which also stands for standard input output. So we will need to input and output. So it will act as those two things. As you will write include connew.h, it will do refresh. It will refresh the pages. So we will write void main, which will act as main gate for all the functions. So we will write integer variables. There are many types of variables you could write, as there are integers, there are floats, there are characters. So as for the beginning, as we are learning, we will learn from integers. Those are the most basic ones. So it has said us to divide two integers. Divide an integer by another integer. So we have to make two integers as a and b, and we have to make the outcome of quotient and remainder. So we will add another variables. Quotient and remainder. So those are two variables. So now what you will need to do is you will need to print an output. So you put input, and that input data will be stored as we will use scanf. So we will write %d as per we are writing integers, and we will write comma after we close it, and we will write comma and a, and they will do as act of storing the input which will enter. Then again printf for b. Never forget to write semicolon at the ending. So we have printed a and b and stored it. So there are two numbers. Now what we'll need to do is you will need to do quotient. Just divide those two numbers. We'll divide those two numbers as per we have said in the question. We'll divide two integers and find the quotient and remainder. As per, if you don't know what a quotient is what it is divided by. As for example, you could say you have entered number 10, so it will be divided by number b, let's say, and number b is 5. 10 divided by 5. So 5 multiplies 2 is 10. That 5 times 2, that 2 is your quotient. So to find quotient, it is quite simple. A divided by 2, and the remainder will be a percentage b. As per why we write percentage, it is also known as a remainder operator. As for what is remaining, it will take that remaining output and show it to us. So we just need to write printf, and it will show the data which you have entered and what will the outcome will come. Quotient equals to %d, and never forget to write quotient comma quotient. quotient or any other variables which we have set up, as when you are only printing the output, one not storing, only printing the output, you must write output. Never forget to write comma and the variable name which you have set up. As per our code hashing state, we will write get to end the program, or some of you write int as main, and then if you write int main, then you will have to write return at that time. So we'll save it, and never forget to save it as .c or choose the source file. Okay, and secured, compile, no problems. So we'll run the program. Let's do 12 divided by 3. The quotient is 4 and remainder is 0.